Hello student, here we discuss about comprehension type question in which P2O5 is given. So P2O5, role of P2O5 is converted amide into nitriles, carboxylic acid to anhydride, alcohol to ether, and itself P4O10 is converted into S3PO4. Write down this equation. Sometimes they are asking this. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like and share, subscribe my channel. And very important discussion we will do for comprehension. See, write down this comprehension. Molecular weight of A is 59, contains 40.68% carbon, hydrogen 8.48, nitrogen given, oxygen. Write down all these. Now A on distillation with P2O5 gave B, which on hydrolysis gave C, a monobasic acid of molecular weight 60. B on reduction gave D, mono acid base of molecular weight 45. A on treating with Br2KOH produces E, another mono acid base for molecular weight is given 31. A can also give C by boiling with alkali. So what you have to do for board, for competitive exam, I will say, since I told you earlier that P2O5 is a dehydrating agent, and here they have given nitrogen also, so it is others are out, only this will be amide. So amide when react with P2O5 it give you RCN. RCN on hydrolysis give you carboxylic acid, and in molecular weight is given 60. So you easily find out that it will be acetic acid. If it is acetic acid, so it will be CH3CN. If it is CH3CN, so it will be CH3CONH2. Okay, so how easily you got it. Now Br2KOH, one carbon less, amine will be obtained, primary amine CH3NH2, and mass will be given is correct. Okay, so molecular mass of this will be 31. Both of them are having 31. And here reduction of this will give ethylamine, and we will find out the molar mass will same as it is given. And they have given mono acid base, so don't worry about it. We have done correctly. Okay, so all of them are correct within 1 minute. And now we will go for percentage. Now it is very easy for you to do. Carbon percentage 40.68 divided by 12 equivalent weight, atomic weight, 8.48 divided by 1, 23.72 divided by 14. All of them are atomic weight. 27.12 divided by 16. So answer will be here. Calculate out 3.39, write down the data. Now divide all these by least number is 1.69. So when we know that it is C2H5, the CH3CONH2, easily we know that it is C2H5NO. Without calculating it, you can easily answer. Till here you can solve, and then you have to write on 2:5:1:1. So CH3CONH2, ethanamide is the structure. Okay, and having same molecular weight as it is given 59. Clear? So how easily we have done, you have seen. Very